Today we're going to talk about something that actually might surprise you. 8 important things that you should never put into your last will and testament. First, you heard that right. Some assets actually need to stay out of your last will to protect your family. I'll show you exactly what these items are and, more importantly, where they should go instead. Did you know that putting certain items in your last will can actually create problems for your family? These mistakes can cost time, money, and unnecessary stress. But don't worry, I'm going to work through these common problems one by one. Let's talk about the first one, life insurance policies. Here's why they stay out. Life insurance companies pay your beneficiaries directly. Your will cannot override these choices. Benefits transfer quickly and privately, and there's no court process needed here. Your pro tip here is to check your beneficiaries today. Make sure that they're up to date. Number 2, retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. These accounts skip the will process completely as well. They save money on taxes through direct transfers. They follow the beneficiary form that you have filled out and kept updated, right? Because if you need to make changes to them, you have to fill out the correct paperwork. So again, the action here is review all of your retirement beneficiaries now. Sometimes people don't ever do this. Number 3 is joint property. Now this includes usually joint bank accounts, joint tenancy on real estate like your home, sometimes co-owned vehicles, and other assets where you can share the title jointly legally with somebody else. 4th on our list is trust property. Remember, trust documents control these. Your revocable living trust controls assets that are inside of it. Your will has no power here. Transfers with a trust happen quicker and they give you more privacy. Number 5, pay on death accounts. These are simple, but they're very powerful. Money transfers immediately. No court gets involved. There's no judge, no probate. They're easy to set up and they're perfect for cash accounts. Think about your bank account. Number 6, business agreements. And here's why this is important. Partnership contracts rule. Buy-sell agreements take priority. Succession plans control everything. Your last will cannot control these operating agreements. Number 7, your funeral. What are your funeral wishes? This one is especially important. Last wills are often not read or they're often not found until it's too late. So you need to have a separate document, tell your family where to find it, and keep instructions crystal clear on what you want to happen for your funeral. And last but still crucial is transfer on death assets. These can include also investment accounts, vehicle titles, and real estate deeds. A transfer on death real estate deed. Now, let's talk about what you need to do today so that you can avoid all of these things. Let's talk about the 5 steps that you need to do today. First is list all your excluded items, update your beneficiaries, create separate plans where needed, talk to your family, and annually review all of this. While this video provides helpful guidance, always consult an estate planning attorney for your specific situation. Remember, keeping things out of your last will protects your family and speeds up the asset transfer. I'll see you in the next video.
I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.